Hey everyone, this is Mr. Z and welcome to this AutoCAD 2018 video tutorial on how to design a plot in AutoCAD. So a plot can be used for floor plans or for mapping out terrain and a number of other things, and we can usually do them with an absolute or a relative coordinate system. So to get started, what I'd like you to do is open up a new AutoCAD file, and let's first start with absolute coordinates. Absolute coordinates are going to be based off your grid spacing. And my grid spacing is currently set to 0.5. So if I wanted to move out 2 units, I would be in the X direction, I'd be on this line. And if I wanted to move 2 units in the Y direction, I'd be like right over here. This would be 2, 2. Now your grid spacing might differ, so let's go ahead and check that out. Over here on this arrow, go to Object Snap Settings, and then head over to the tab that says Snap and Grid. Okay, over here is your current grid spacing, and if it's not 0.5 and 0.5, feel free to change it for this video. I'm going to press OK, and we're going to get started. I'm going to list out 8 different coordinates, and these are all going to be absolute coordinates. So I'm going to type in line, enter, and to specify an absolute coordinate, you have to use hashtag first, so I go type in hashtag, and then the first coordinate is going to be 1.5, and then comma, 4, enter. And you'll notice right away that it is 1.5 units away in the X and 4 in the Y. So that is an absolute coordinate. The next one is going to be hashtag 6.5, comma, 4, enter. Okay? And I'm just building off that line command. So you'll notice this one is now 6.5 in the X and it's still 4 in the Y. Okay, and now let's continue rolling with this. So hashtag 6.5, comma 7, enter. Hashtag 7, comma 7, enter. Hashtag 4, comma 9.5, enter. Hashtag 1, comma 7, enter. Hashtag 1.5, comma 7, enter. Hashtag 1.5, comma 4, enter. I'm going to press escape 2 times, and if you designed it correctly, you should be looking at the outline of a house. So that was done using absolute coordinates. Really cool, and hopefully you understand that each of those points I was telling you did represent one of the points of this house. Okay, so that was absolute. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And now we're going to do relative. Now relative is based on where the line is currently ending. So to start it, we're going to start with an absolute coordinate. So let's go ahead and type in line, enter, and let's use the same line as before. So hashtag 1.5, comma 4, enter. So we started it the same way, but now instead of hashtags, we're going to use ampersands or ats. So ampersand, and then let's move 5 in the X direction. So I'm going to say 5, comma, and then 0, because I don't want to move any in the Y direction. I'm going to press enter. And you're going to notice it moved 5 units away from that last unit. So let's go up this time, and we're going to say at 0, comma, 3.5, enter. And you'll notice it went up 3.5 units. Okay, let's go at 0.5, comma 0, enter. At negative 3, comma 2.5, enter. And now you'll be like, whoa, you used the negative, but I used the negative because I wanted to go back on the negative side. So this is if this is a relative coordinate system, to go backwards, I'll need to use a negative. So that was a negative 3.5. Okay, at negative 3, comma, let's do negative 2.5, enter. At 0.5, comma 0, enter. And we just have one more to go. Let me just count this out. Okay. and then at 0, comma, negative 3.5, enter. And I'm going to press escape twice. And if you did it correctly, you'll notice that we ended up with the exact same kind of structure, just using a different type of coordinate system. Okay, so that was it. That was absolute coordinates and relative coordinates to plot out something. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.